Hello everyone, welcome back to Shrimaya. I am Rituparna Chatterjee. Shrimaya is a clothing brand and I'm a fashion designer. So here I come up with my video describing that what is fashion designing. Fashion designing is a very creative, hardworking and super beautiful field. Here we designer actually work from research to sketching to its construction and finally presenting it to you in the market. So it is a long journey and a long story behind every design. So when you are actually planning or you have planned to opt for fashion designing, be very sure that it is really going to be like too hardworking, but yes, very creative field. So please, if you want to opt for fashion designing, don't stop yourself. It is really a brilliant journey. Yes, now I am going to talk about that first question which arises in everyone's mind, that is fashion designing sufficient for our living? Yes, it is, because when we compare it with what was there happening before all this moment, all this situation, all this centuries, so fashion is now grading up. It is upgrading every year, every time, and the demand for clothing designing is getting high as compared what it was. So designing is a very fresh, a very popping up creative field where everyone is coming up with their creative level. So you can definitely go and opt for fashion designing without any confusion that it will be sufficient for you to make your living or not. So it is definitely will help you to make your living very sufficiently, as what different courses and different careers people actually the way they live, you can also do that. Plus here the plus point will be that you will be different from others because you have that magic with you of styling or presenting yourself, which is rare, and that look attractive, that actually looks very presentable and attractive to people. So you have that magic power in your hand when you go for fashion designing. Now I am going to talk about that fashion designing and tailoring, they are not the same thing. So it is really a very big confusion that people think that fashion designing and tailoring is same, but no, it is not. Fashion designing or styling is same, it is not so. Fashion designing and modeling is same, please, it is not so, right? Fashion designer needs to know it all, but a tailor don't know how to design, a model don't know how to design, or a stylist don't know how to design, right? But a fashion designers know it's all. So you need to understand that fashion designing and a fashion designer needs to learn all the basic of how to create a designer, how to present it, how to stylize it, how a person can present it in the front of entire market or somewhere. So fashion designer is the ultimate behind every brand who actually works quite harder to present the designs in the market. Even when you go in the malls and big showrooms, there the work that you see, it is all the hard work of the designer. Yes, now I am going to talk about that what are the more possible designing fields available there in this world. So beside fashion designing, we have interior designing, graphic designing, accessory designing, jewelry designing, textile designing, footwear designing, and like lots more. If you go a little technical, then automobile designers. This all designers actually goes throughout the whole learning process of designing, and secondly, gradually they move to their own directions. So here we have a vast area for designers. In every field you can come and opt for designing. So now the confusion can arise in your mind that what kind of designer you want to be. So it is very simple. It is like very simple. It will actually come within you. If you're a person who actually loves dressing, styling, the way we appear, then definitely you are best for fashion designing. If you are a person who actually when enters a room and get the vibes, like to decor the whole area and always have that kind of things going on their head, then you are going to be a interior designer. Graphic designer is a person who actually loves all the graphic happening around in their mobile phones, in the advertisement hoardings and posters everywhere. You like that comic thing going on, or the way it is being edited or something, the way graphically it is done, then yes, you are for graphic designer. Same way for textile designing, for accessory designing, as from the word itself we can understand that textile designing means It is more with chemicals, dyes. Here you actually learn how to print a fabric before construction or styling. So it is entirely about technically the weaving part, the dyeing part, printing part, and all that stuffs which need to be done in the fabric, right? So in accessory, we know what are the accessories are, like whatever we wear apart from our garments, like it can be footwear, it can be bags, hat, scarf, belt, many more. So there are particular designers for this as well. So like this, there are many designing fields available for you. You can choose where you want to go and just grab it as soon as you can, because your career is waiting for you. Yes, now I'm going to talk about all the pros and cons of fashion designing. First, with positive points. Okay, so it gives you a bundle of satisfaction when you see your client wearing your design. It is like an award-winning kind of moment for you, because it gives you that happiness. It cannot be explained in words, but this is really a very happy moment, a very satisfaction moment for a designer. Secondly, when you actually get into this, you comes to know about how to deal with your clients, how to get the things done, and slowly in the initial level you can start your own small scale business. Third, you have here the great opportunity to explore, travel. As designers need to explore more, because they need to make good research, they need to get inspired to create some designs. Now I'll come to the negative points. Firstly, a disclaimer that it is not negative point. It actually vary from person to person how you take it, right? So fashion designing is a very hard-working field. It actually makes people go dull at some point, because they start losing hope. They think that it is not going to be possible, because you need here a lot of patience. When you are a budding designer and you just bomb your designs in the market, it won't mean that on the next day you will be at the top. Never it gonna happen. You have to give a month or some few months or a year time to your designs, to your brand to grow up, because this field actually needs a lot of time, a lot of hard work, a lot of research. You need your customer to actually purchase your design, wear it, experience it, feel it, and it actually need a lot of time. So you need to be very patient with your work, and if you are actually a good designer, you will definitely going to rock it. Okay, now I would like to say at the end that if you are a parent watching this, please do support your children to opt for this course, because this is really a beautiful course. And if your child or your kid is a person who actually in more to the art and creative field, that if you force your kids to get into some other course, they won't be able to do that, because a creator, a designer, an artist cannot do anything else from this, I think. Because if you can listen to your passion and can convert it into your career, it will be the best thing possible. So many of our senior people, our parents, our guardian may not allow people or their child to opt for fashion designing, because with the threat that it won't be that sufficient for living. But so let your kids be designer, let them opt what they actually want to, and let them change this whole world into a very beautiful place to live. So with this beautiful lines, I'm concluding today's video of mine, and I hope you actually like it. And please let me know in the comment section below that is my video was quite helpful and or not, and if I can add or help you more with this, then please let me know in the comment section below. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yes, I hope my video helped you to get little glimpse of what is fashion designing is. So please do let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video. Make sure that you like my video and do subscribe. And till next Friday, do wait for my next video to come up. And until for the next time, take care.